Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper trunk. We'll cover the most common ways to access your trunk, ensuring you're never stuck. First, we'll look at using your key fob, a quick and easy method. Then, we'll explore the interior release button, which is handy when you're inside the car. This guide will help you master trunk access with confidence. To open your trunk with the key fob, simply press and hold the trunk icon button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the trunk will pop open slightly. If you're inside the car, look for the interior release button, often located near the driver's door or center console. Just press it once, and the trunk will unlatch. Remember, the car usually needs to be unlocked for the interior button to function. Sometimes, you might need to use the manual or emergency release. If you're locked out, you can often access the trunk by folding down the rear seats. Once inside, look for a small lever or handle, usually brightly colored, which is the emergency release. For older models, a keyhole might be present near the license plate. A flathead screwdriver can sometimes turn it if you don't have the physical key. If your trunk still isn't opening, check for common issues. Sometimes, an electrical problem or a blown fuse can prevent it from unlatching. Also, make sure nothing is physically blocking the latch mechanism, as even a small item can cause a jam. A quick visual inspection can often reveal the problem. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult your owner's manual. And hey, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.